In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat a task on Todoist. Whether you're managing daily routines, scheduling weekly meetings, or simply trying to keep on top of your personal goals, repeating tasks in Todoist can significantly streamline your productivity flow. So let's dive in and learn the step-by-step process on how to make this happen. First things first, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. You can do this by navigating to Todoist login page. Once there, you'll be greeted with fields asking for your email address and password. Carefully enter your email address and then your password. Double check for any typos because, as simple as it sounds, this is the gateway to all your tasks and upcoming projects piled up in Todoist. After ensuring the accuracy of your credentials, click on the login button. It's more than just accessing your account, it's about unlocking an environment where you keep your life in sync. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Today view of Todoist, which shows all tasks scheduled for the current day. This is where the magic happens, where you strategize and visualize the day at a glance. Now click on Home to access the main interface. Here, Todoist does an excellent job in presenting a clean, organized workspace so you can see your projects and tasks with clarity. Within the home view, your next action will be to either select an existing task that you want to repeat or add a new task. Adding a task is intuitive in Todoist. Look for the plus icon or just start typing in the space provided and hit enter. Now let's create a repetitive cycle for this task, which brings us to a crucial part of our process. Once you've chosen or created your task, click on the due date section. This is critical as Todoist needs to know when this task starts before it can repeat. For tasks that require daily attention, simply type in every day. This command tells Todoist your intent, that this task is a daily commitment, and it goes on to establish this routine in your schedule. The final crucial step in creating a repeating task is to decide on the task's duration. For tasks that you plan on doing indefinitely, click on the option labelled Forever. This setting is your way of informing Todoist that this task has no end date and it should repeat daily without fail. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a repeating task in Todoist. It's essential to understand the flexibility Todoist offers. Maybe a task needs to be done every Tuesday, or perhaps the 15th of each month, or even every 3 days. Just adjust the due date input accordingly. Type in every Tuesday, every 15th Sue, or every 3 days. And Todoist will configure the recurrence based on your input. Remember, the beauty of Todoist lies in its ability to adapt to your workflow, making it nearly effortless to stay on top of repetitive tasks, whether they're daily, weekly, or monthly. As a bonus tip, always review your repeating tasks periodically. Needs change, and Todoist makes it easy to adjust frequencies, ensuring that your task list mirrors your current priorities and schedules. In conclusion, mastering the creation of repeating tasks in Todoist not only saves time, but also enforces a habit of consistency and accountability in managing tasks. By setting your tasks to repeat automatically, you're setting yourself up for success day after day, with Todoist quietly running in the background, ensuring you never skip a beat. Practice what we covered today, and soon you'll be navigating through Todoist like a pro, leveraging repeating tasks to enhance productivity and ultimately achieve your goals with confidence.